Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. And today, as you can see, I have an Oppo A54s phone with me. This color is in crystal black, and this is, as you can see, is Oppo brand. And I'm very excited because this is my new phone, and I'm going to be showing it to you. So now, let's open the box. This tape here, and I'm never good with tape. So I finally took the tape off, and now let's open it very slowly. Oh, how do you? Oh. Here's the phone. So here's the phone, and inside there's this, the charger, and then there should be the cable. There's two cables. So there's actually one cable, this one, and one hands-free, like headphones. This is the hands-free. And then this is the charger, so I can charge the phone, which I need to attach to this. So this is the charger it comes with. And then there's also this box, and it looks like there's something inside. Oh, it's a clear phone case. I already bought one. I bought a Popo one, but you can also put this on top. So I can put this until I have that one. I wasn't expecting this case because in my parents' phone, in my family phone, they never had this case with it. So I wasn't expecting it. But I'm very happy because I got a case as well. I can just put it on like that after I take the wrapping off. So this is a 128 GB phone and megapixel 50, and I really like it. I'm gonna put this on. So I was able to put it on. I found that I was doing it the wrong way, but I got it on now, and I really like this phone. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you know something about this phone, like if you're gonna buy it or not. I really like it, so I'll see you all next time. Bye!